Have you ever taken a photo you loved only to realize the background ruined it? Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower and inspire your photography one 60-second tip at a time. So here's the thing, a great subject can be completely undone by a bad background, but a simple, clean background can make an ordinary subject look brilliant, because the background is never neutral, even when you think it is. It's still saying something. Shape, color, tone, distraction or calm. It's part of the composition. It shares the frame and it competes for attention. And here's the key. Your viewer's eyes don't care what you meant to photograph. They go straight to bright areas, sharp details, high contrast, strong shapes and anything that looks out of place. So if those things are in your background, they start shouting over the subject. Think of the background like a theatre stage. A good stage supports the actor and disappears. A bad one steals the show. So before you press the shutter, ask yourself, is my background supporting my subject or fighting it? Better photos start when you just stop looking at what's in the frame and start controlling what isn't. And if you want to go deeper into this, check out episode 6 of the Ultimate Checklist series here. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.